Hello, eh, bueno, hi, my name is Luis Gallo Garcia. Today I'm going to cook about festival. Someone told me about it the day of the dead celebrated in Mexico on November 1st and 2nd. My friend said that his celebration is with his family every year. He also said that there are colors paint, beautiful altar, and the traditional decoration. He mentioned that people in traditional food like pan de muertos and drink hot chocolate. He said that festival lasts 2 days and that it is going to remember and honor loved ones. He said that really liked the festival and would recommend it to everyone. Thank you.